Have you ever wanted to zoom in on a video in Canva to make your content more dynamic and focused? Today, I'll show you the easiest ways to do it so your videos look professional in just a few clicks. First, let's start with a simple trick. While editing your video in Canva, you can use the zoom slider at the bottom of the editor. This helps you get a closer look at your timeline so you can make precise edits without losing track of your clips. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way. On Windows, hold down Control and press the plus key, and on Mac, use Command++. This instantly zooms into your video timeline for smoother editing. You can even combine this with your mouse scroll wheel while holding Control or Command for ultra-fast zooming control. Now, if your goal is to zoom in on a specific part of a video clip itself, there's a little extra step. First, split your clip at the point you want to focus on. Then select that section and use the resize handles to zoom in directly on that part. This method makes your video visually pop and draws attention exactly where you want it. By mastering these techniques, you can make your edits precise, engaging, and professional looking without struggling with complicated software. Zooming in on videos in Canva is that simple, and once you get the hang of it, it opens up a whole new level of creative possibilities. Try it out on your next project and see the difference it makes.